That's the most scary.
What? How'd it feel? It's how'd it feel, wasn't it?
Yep.
Alright guys, so yeah, the LST is pretty beaten up, I guess as usual, but here's what we did today. Yeah, we bashed up that front bumper, or I guess I did, because I, couldn't steer the poor thing. And I like to blame myself and the truck at the same time, because I'm only running one steering servo right now. As you guys know, I blew out the other one in last video. And this other steering servo right here, this is not the original. I ended up just putting in a cheap Spectrum, I'm pretty sure it's for like a throttle servo, to be honest. This thing does not steer this truck. So I ended up blowing out both original steering servos. It took me 3 years to do that, so I'm actually pretty impressed with the quality of the electronics of the truck. I'm gonna need some JR style steering servos. I'm hoping to get 2 of them. And if you guys know any, drop them down in the comments. I know there's some Chinese ones replicating these things. But yeah, I'll take anything at this point, just get this thing steering like it used to. But other than that, I got this thing landing pretty good. Obviously, besides those, nosedive crashes, this thing was great. We'll check on the damage in here. I actually heard something loose in here, so we'll see what's happening in here. The cage looks all right. Yeah, it looks like I cracked the tank again. Can't tell you how, but that kind of sucks. I don't see any fuel down there though, so I don't think this tank is leaking, so I think we're all right. But the frame looks straight. I have no clue how that tank cracked, but I'll investigate that later. But thanks for watching, guys. I'd like to apologize to everyone. I'm not wearing any cool socks today. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. The repairs won't be too bad. Looks like the bulkhead must have cracked at one point, which is why I lost all those bolts. But yeah, no big deal with this thing. It's nothing I haven't seen before. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.